Every night I dream of freedom, and then I open my eyes and I'm in the same familiar jail cell. I take a few minutes to swallow my disappointment and begin my morning push-ups. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up somewhere else. I've not lost hope. This is important, especially if you are at home and you're not yet as successful as you want to be, if you don't have your life in exactly the place you want it, if you still feel trapped, whether it's financially or some other way. You wake up and you must be dreaming of freedom, but when your eyes open, after the disappointment, swallow the disappointment, take a minute and look around you and say, I deserve more than this. But then, what's the important point? You must begin to work instantly. I did not miss a single day of training in that jail cell. I didn't sit and say, I'm too depressed, I'm too sad, it's too cold in this freezing cell, I didn't eat enough because it's Ramadan. No excuses. Every single day we trained, we woke up disappointed, we swallowed the disappointment, and we got to training every single day. If we could train in a freezing cold jail cell in Romania, the cockroaches all around us, with no idea when we're going to be allowed freedom once again, you can train in a nice gym, air-conditioned gym in California. What is your excuse? If you imagine something truly and fully, if you truly, completely imagine it, to a degree your body will react to it. Let me give you an example. If you truly imagined yourself at war, day after day, you imagined yourself under attack, defeating the Matrix agents, you're top G, you're walking through life, the agents are coming, you're doing Aikido, and you're destroying them, and you're the most powerful man in the world. If you truly imagined that and felt it in your mind to the point where you thought you were there and you felt it in your body, I would guarantee you, after X amount of time, you would have a higher testosterone level and your muscles would be stronger than if you didn't. I will guarantee you that.
Good day, my friends. Traders, let's dive in. So, Trump wants to put on some tariffs, try to force our economy to crumble. You can capitalize on that. So, we're going to dive into oil first. Or you know what? No, we'll do with what we've dealt with and what I've been saying all weekend. So we had a massive sell-off of Bitcoin all weekend. I did, and other cryptos, you know, Bitcoin's the anchor. So if you're shorting Bitcoin, it means you're shorting everything else. For me, it was AAVE or AVE, you know. If I line it up, it's the same charts. I was shorting here, 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 and take profit here, here, you know, all safe, all done, beautiful. Gotta love when predictions come out just absolutely stunning. So anyways, it's dumping. Where is it going to go? Let's see. We have an extra strong support right around 95, 92. So this nice zone right here, that is the buy zone. Expect some form of bounce there. If I had to put an exact number to it, I'd say if you can try to wait off, you could, okay, you know what? You could even open a small buy position now. It's dumping, just so leave it. I would say leave it. But if you had to and you can't get to the computer later or the phone or something like that, you could even open a small buy position now. But if you can, I would say wait for there, anywhere in here, nice little buy zone, and then wait for the bounce to either be rejected from there or to push on through. I personally believe it's going to reject. So we're aiming at short positions for now. There you go. Happy profits. I'm glad I could help, and I'm glad everybody's doing well. Moving on. So we got some oil. Okay, so nice big old trade war. Thank you very much, Trump. I am Canadian, but, you know, I actually despise our government, and, you know, I believe this is a larger plan to force us to become the 51st state. Doesn't bother me. I want to make 40% more and pay 40% less taxes. Are you kidding me? I want to own a machine gun. I want to be safe. You know, I hate, I'll talk some other time about it. Anyway, so what do you want to do? What do you want to do? So, okay, market opens. It opens up here because the United States put up a 25% tariffs, or sorry, 10% on oil. And now we're in the depths of a trade war. What does that mean for oil? You know, oil is expected to continue to decline once more policies are in place from Trump, and he seems to be doing everything he says he's going to do, right? He's a man of his word. Why wouldn't I short on this? So if you even wanted to just wait for a little retract back to right there, and then short down, you absolutely can to 72. You know, have a stop loss at 75, but overall, this could be a slam dunk. You know, trade carefully, right? It's the name of the game. Trade carefully. This is going to be a relatively short video. It's going to be the same length on social media as it is on YouTube. Anyways, so that's where it is. I think I even I think it was Thursday or Friday, I even said get into a short position around 70, 75. So either way, we were still drastically in the profits right there, right? Short positions down. Hallelujah, you know. Tread carefully. Moving on. The prime, the one and only. We got gold. We got XAU. Let's go. What's going on? I'm going to touch on what I posted on in the chat. The public chat, Top Margin Trades on Facebook. It's where you get some signals. Why not? Very simple. Simple signals. You know, you can sign up for my my private signals. You'll get them directly. Tell you what to do, how to do it, how to learn, etc. Very simple, guys. It's just pattern recognition. That's all it is. Pattern recognition. You know, once you know the pattern, once you can recognize it, then you can start to implement, and then you can start to leverage on it, and then you can start to capitalize on it, you know, and then, of course, patience, consistency, so forth. So what do we got? We open, market opens. Big fat, like it jumped around so much. It was such a gambling moment, big time. But I'm going to just let you know what I did. So market opens is flying in between 27.95 to 28.05. So like in between $10, drastically. And it did it for about an hour. It was super cool. So, you know, like I have a couple random gambling sort of accounts where it's like I'll over leverage just to see if it happens. And if I lose, I've only lost so much, right? I've only lost like 50 USD. Not a big deal. It's not a big deal, right? So if you timed it right, you know, you could, while it's doing this mass, see, look, we got a huge wick right there, right? That implies price action, right? Up and down fast. So if you timed it right, it's like up here, sell down here, you know, like it's super cool. And then up here again, and then sell again, and then take profit. And you do it all within like seconds, right? Or, you know, minutes or whatever. It's super fun. You know, like I said, can't stress it enough. It's gambling. It's not really like you are technically trading, but I would refer to it as gambling. So, you know, we made all-time highs on Friday. Right here. Gold hit an all-time high. This dump is necessary, right? We got policies that are being implemented that are going to bolster the American economy. American economy goes up. The world trades still technically mostly in USD, right? What does that mean? If the dollar is bolstered, if the economy is bolstered, gold will inevitably fall. So we don't know how far. I do believe that the base, you know, price of gold will never fall below, where are we? Hold on. I don't see it falling below, where is 2,600? So 2600, somewhere in here. I don't believe it'll ever fall in between this. You know, it's just, it's the base price. We've gone too far. You got to imagine it. Like, yes, gold has relatively stayed the same price, but it's the different ratio from 100 years ago, 50 years ago, 20 years ago. It's just always going to be on essentially a rise. I don't care what anyone says. Yes, this is my opinion. That's what it is. That's all, guys. So what can you do? What is the signal? I think I posted a signal in chat. Let's drag it in. Do 30 minutes. Okay, yeah. So I posted get in a short position. Let me dive in. I can't see the numbers. Yeah, okay. Short position, I think it was 27.94. You could take profit now. Take profit now, you know? I think I said, I got to check the signals. I should really know ahead of time. But I believe I said take profit around 27.80. But if you land anywhere near there, guys, you know, you're good. We're all in the gold right now. Happy blues, happy profits. Anyways, quick little video, little recap. And yeah, I hope everybody has a good weekend. And this is only Sunday. We got the rest of the week to do this crap, right? So, as always, TNT and good luck.